Royce here with you on Tuesday, May 26th for the closing market comments. So the markets opened lower last night on fears of China and the U.S. trade agreements being voided because of the political rhetoric. Um, but they ended up rallying through the day session with beans being the leader and soybean oil as well. The safrinha corn crop, the second double crop in South America, was lowered by 3 million metric tons, and crude oil was also stronger, lending support to the bean oil complex. It also helped that the dollar was sharply lower today, and the Brazilian real traded higher. Um, that helped with the real to dollar comparison. The USDA also announced sales of beans to China with 66,000 metric tons for this year and 198,000 metric tons for next year. There's also a sale to unknown, although it's expected to be the Philippines. They bought 216,000 metric tons of soybean meal for the 1920 delivery. China was suspected to have bought 6 cargoes of beans from Brazil, and they've also made record purchases of beans for May, June, and July. Their imports for April were the largest in 1 month since July of 17, and their pork imports for April were also a new record. The New York Stock Exchange opened today for traders to be on the floor with social distancing and only a quarter of normal traders. The weather looks good for most of the Corn Belt with warmer temperatures and lower precipitation. We should see crops really start to take off here. Both corn and soybean exports were down quite a bit compared to last week and last year. Wheat marketing ends this Sunday, and their shipments were down a bit as well. This week, the crop progress report came out today instead of yesterday due to the holiday. Corn planting was at 88%, up 8% from last week, and compared to 55% last year, with 82% being the average, and traders guessing that there was about a 90% completion. Soybean planting was at 65%, up from 53% last week, 26% last year, and 55% in the 5-year average, with the traders' guess being 70%. Spring wheat planting was 81%, up 21% from last week, up 1% from last year, but down 9% from the 5-year average. Winter wheat conditions were rated at 54% good to excellent, up 2% from last week, but 9% below last year. The next USDA report will be June 11th with both US and world numbers. And a reminder that the CFAP payment sign-up started today for growers that are eligible. If you have any questions about that, feel free to contact us, or you can visit our website and check out our grain page. We've got some instructions and details how you can get that taken care of. Thanks. Have a great day.